If you use a Samsung Galaxy phone, you've probably noticed something called Secure Folder. But what is it actually used for, and how secure is it? In this video, I'll explain what Samsung Secure Folder is, how it works, and when you should use it. What is Samsung Secure Folder? Samsung Secure Folder is a private, encrypted space on your phone. Key points. It's built using Samsung Knox security. Everything inside is encrypted separately from your main phone storage. Access is protected by a PIN, password, pattern, or biometrics. Files inside secure folders stay hidden from the rest of the phone. Even if someone unlocks your phone, they still can't access secure folder without its lock. What can you store inside secure folder? You can move or add photos and videos, documents and files, apps like WhatsApp, Gallery, or Chrome, separate app copies with different accounts. This is useful if you want a private gallery, 2 accounts for the same app, extra protection for sensitive files. How to set up Samsung Secure Folder. Setup steps. Go to Settings, tap on Biometrics and Security, tap Secure Folder, review the permissions and tap Continue. Choose a lock method. Once enabled, Secure Folder appears as a separate app. You can also hide the Secure Folder icon from the home screen for extra privacy. Important things to know. Before using Secure Folder, you must remember your Secure Folder password. If Reset with Samsung account is disabled, forgotten passwords can mean data loss. Uninstalling Secure Folder deletes all data inside. Backups are tied to your Samsung account. To learn more, check out our full post, link in the description. Samsung Secure Folder is one of the best privacy features on Galaxy phones. If you store private files or want extra separation on your phone, it's worth using. Just make sure your Samsung account recovery is enabled. That's how Samsung Secure Folder works. Like the video if it helped, and thanks for watching.